Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kerensan Yakura yakabala tip kum ke 7th Elite Men's National Boxing Championship kala sedang haka arpusan trik unaiwing arajar arpulai Hasai Training Center kebadan Hanehu Shillong. Yakni kerensan Yakura kabala penlong nega Meghalaya Boxing Association but ke Boxing Federation of India lawan ban plead u Secretary General ke Boxing Federation of India u Himanta Kumar Kalita kumukongsan haringkat kejingadan lang ke Director ke Tanat Jadai Kai Sports ke Sorkar Jela ke Kong Isawanda lalu sembut kongsan bat kumjuru Working President ke Meghalaya State Olympic Association uba John F. Karshiing u General Secretary uba Finely Pariat u Assistant Director ke Sai u T.S. Chauhan u Assistant Director ke Tanat Jadai Kai Sports uba Paya B. War Nongbri bat kiwei Kiladon haduk lai spa ngut tam ki rang yakura. Ki balawan banyak simbentah ki kat lai tri ki kerdan jingkia baper niki jela baper badru niki Union Territories bad kumjuru niki kinhon shipai bad kiwei. Hagani karensan yakura kalongru sibentah ban penkrek ki lempung yakura banyak kini rung Shah ke Paris Olympic. Hagani ka snila Pynkup Burom ru ya uklor yakura barim ke jela u Torak Kharpran u balong u coach jong ke Sports Authority of India haga jela Pradesh bad u balong ru haga jo kopor u coach jong ke kinhon yakura jong ke India boleh simbenta ha ke Asians Game ke balalong hagini ki snem ke baladam bad ke waipat ke coach jong ke jela ke Roshni Bhosal. Karto kat ne ki klor yakura kari ke balawan banyak simbentang ki kentum ya Ushiva Thapa ubalale kai Arsen haga Olympic bat kumju Amit Panggal ubala Korea kanam ladu haga Asian Games jong snem arajar Kharpran kham hashwan kalyang ke Meghalaya Boxing Association karapen benaru ya ki khendiat ngut ki rang yakura ki ban mi khmat ya ke jela haga ni ke lempung Jaga ni lempung on Pynkup ha ka shitarik unok pra arajar arpulai.
Men's Boxing Championship 2023. We are very grateful to the Boxing Federation of India and the Meghalaya Boxing Association for this partnership and for their support in organizing this event. From the Department of Sports and Youth Affairs, it is indeed a unique opportunity for us to not only host this event and to have the best around the country, but also it is a platform for our own state and region.
May not be first visit, it will be third, fourth, fifth visit, because Meghalaya has in the past hosted sub-juniors boxing, nationals. We have hosted South Asian Games, women's boxing. We have recently hosted the Northeast Games, and we have slowly tried to make an impact and trying to promote all the sports. I'm also very happy to reach